Yo, what's up guys? It's Taveras Media here, back with another video on the channel. And today guys, we're gonna be going through my top and most favorite AI agent slash virtual agent chatbot builders. And I'm honestly gonna pick the best one that's my favorite out of all three of them. We're gonna be going through the pros and cons, pricing, features, etc. So I can help you guys water it down to the best bot builder in my opinion that's going to help you guys grow the best. So right now for the top picks that we currently have, we have VoiceFlow, BotPress, and Voc.ai. Okay, BotPress obviously has been around for a while. BotPress was actually the first platform that I'm pretty sure we all use, learning from Liam Otley, like back in a year ago. Everybody was using BotPress, but BotPress was really bad back then, and I feel like it's gotten a lot better. So we're going to be going through how it's gotten better. VoiceFlow as well has pretty much been the bread and butter for everybody, but I feel like, there's more potential outside of VoiceFlow. I feel like everybody just sticks to VoiceFlow because, it's just what everybody has gone to. And then Voc.ai is actually a new company that I found, and I've looked into their website, built some bots myself, and honestly, I like them a lot. We're going to be going through them as well. So the first thing we're going to start off, obviously, let's just do the pricing. I think that's the most important thing, is let's go through the pricing, because the UI doesn't matter. Nothing really matters unless we're really seeing the pricing, because if we can't afford it, then what's the point of even using the platform? Because let's talk about Stack.ai. Yeah, we're talking $1,500 a month. That's rent. That's rent, bro. Okay, that's a lot of money. So let's go ahead and go to BotPress. BotPress is pretty much like a pay-as-you-go plan, so it's not really based on a membership plan. If I'm wrong, let me just make sure before I do that, because sometimes these platforms, they kind of like to hide the pricing. So let me just make sure again. Yeah, so as I said, you have the team plan, but this is really usually for enterprises. But if you're starting off, it's pretty much free, and then everything else is just pay as you go. But if you were to pay for the actual plan, well, you're looking up to $500 to $1,000 a month, which is obviously, not very budgetable. So already BotPress is not looking good in terms of pricing. I would have to say the pay-as-you-go plan is good, but it's not good as well, because I've had instances where I've had students pay $2,000 in a day, because pay-as-you-go is very unpredictable. They actually squeeze a lot more money out of you. So we're going to have to cross out BotPress with the pricing. So BotPress has already taken the L on that. Sorry, guys, if it's a little bit laggy, Windows updated me to a Windows 11 without my permission, so I'm gonna have to downgrade soon. So BotPress already for the pricing, not looking good. So we can go and close out BotPress and just keep that open. In fact, let me go and go to BotPress and just go on the workspace so we can have that ready. Next, VoiceFlow. Obviously, VoiceFlow has changed their pricing models. So yeah, it's definitely different now, because again, VoiceFlow has updated their UI plan. So we have Pro, which is $50 an editor per month. Okay, that's still a lot. And for that, you can get all this. I think that it's what you really want to do is probably get the Pro plan. I'm pretty sure it used to be $25 a month. It actually increased. So VoiceFlow for increasing that is not good as well. $125 for the team plan is probably realistic, but $125 a month is a lot of money for a lot of people. So yeah, VoiceFlow already again is pretty expensive, because it used to be cheaper. It used to be $25, I'm pretty sure. And let's look at Vox. Let's go to pricing over here, and let's see what their pricing model is. And right here, already free, so we have 0 for free. And right here, okay, I like this though. All right, this makes sense. It's $180 a month, but I think it makes more sense, because if you look at VoiceFlow, you're paying Pro $50 editor per month, but here you get literally everything, and you get everything else. But it's, yeah, you know what? Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. I hate when that happens. So Voc.ai is $180 a month for the solo entrepreneur, but I'm pretty sure it's worth it, because it has more features than it would on VoiceFlow. And again, that's why I don't like the pricing on BotPress and VoiceFlow, because I don't feel like the pricing is correlated to the value of it. So yeah, it's definitely up there, don't get me wrong, but we're gonna have to dive into the value. So they're all honestly expensive, but they're all free plans. Sorry about that, guys. I'm in the city. You already know how it is. But yeah, all these plans are definitely expensive, but this is what you got to do when you have to work with these platforms. So all of them, I would say they're all tied out right now, but let's go ahead and get into the value of it. So obviously the next thing is the UI. BotPress UI, it looks like GitHub. It literally looks like GitHub. I don't like the UI at all. BotPress already lost on the UI. Voice Flow, their UI just is ugly now. Like, I don't like how this looks. We're gonna go ahead and register for a little quick 14-day trial because I need to re-sign up. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. I want to show you guys the process of signing up as well. Voice Flow, I mean, I'm just gonna put some gibberish and I'll sign up later. And let's go ahead and sign up on an account at Voc.ai as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up really quick right now, guys. All right, guys, so we're pretty much back. We signed up on Voice Flow, and we also signed up on Voc.ai. I want to show you guys the sign-up process. So let's go and start with Voice Flow. Just click Get Started. You know, this is always the stuff that they always put. How big is your team? Just me, blah, 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 YouTube, whatever. Click Continue. Just call it whatever. We'll call it Taveras Media. Click Continue. Okay. All right, so it already takes us straight to the workflow. Again, Voice Flow, their UI is definitely different now, but it's still kind of the same. You guys already know about Voice Flow. I've been making videos on Voice Flow like for the longest, so you guys already know how Voice Flow looks and works. So let's go back to Voc. Let's just call this Taveras Media as well. And our industry, we will choose other. We're more of a, just creating, you know, a general basis of it. Quick start. Okay, I like this. This is better. Voice Flow also has the same. It has a welcoming page. This is nice. So yeah, I like Voc. This is nice. Building a knowledge base, setting up your first and testing your AI chatbot, integrating systems. I like this. Let's look into Voc right now. Okay, whoa, this is nice. I like this. This is very nice. So it already starts us off right here, where we can already work on a chatbot where we can configure it. And let's just look at everything we're looking at. So you are Taveras Media customer support. Your business brand is Taveras Media. Okay, so I like this. This is an agent introduction. Okay, we have already pre-built templates for us or conditions, which is nice. Okay, language, emotion, intent, subject. Okay, let's go look at the knowledge bases. Okay, nice. We can add link, web learning, which is really important. Document learning. Q&A library. Okay, this is new. I've never seen a Q&A library. This is new. I like this. I have never seen a Q&A library in like Voice Flow or any of the platforms. Let's go ahead and actually check that if we can see where we can go ahead and check that. Wow, I haven't used Voice Flow in a while. It's so new to me now. The whole like platform, data source. Yeah. So Voice Flow's knowledge base is still pretty linear. I don't like that. This, I like that. Document learning. So it can upload to documents. That's good. Competence, logistics, and query. Let's look at this. Okay, so this is more for Shopify, live chat. I like that. That's actually good. That's going to be way better because Voice Flow, you're going to have to create custom HTTP calls, post calls, get calls, etc., and API calls, which is a lot more. This is a lot more beginner friendly. Okay, if you guys want to create chatbots for, you know, brands, e-com brands especially, or even kind of any other business, this is a lot more beginner friendly, and it's definitely a lot more easier to start off with. Voice Flow is very manual based. Everything is manualized, everything, including the knowledge base, you know, post calls, everything. So yeah, I like that. This is a lot more beginner friendly. Voc is looking very good. Official apps, we have live chat, so that's good as well. Okay, boom, we have our web chat room. We can copy that. That's important. I'm pretty sure this is for to integrate into the website, so you would embed this link into your website. Yep, what I say, Taveras Media. That's good, nice and easy. Let's go ahead. I want to make sure this is not lagging, guys. Yeah, it's not lagging, good. Okay, we have Gmail apps. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, I like this, guys. Okay, Shopify, Zendesk. We have a lot of Discord, integrating to Discord. Let's look at Voice Flow, see if they have that in the integrations. Yep, nothing yet. Everything else is custom. Boom. Voc AI is already winning out of everybody. BotPress. Let's look at BotPress. BotPress Hub. Yeah, so BotPress does have a lot of integration, so I do like BotPress for that. But the fact that Discord is there is really important because you'd be surprised. A lot of these companies, 99% of these companies, they have Discord servers. Unless you're doing like a real estate company. If you're doing like, you know, e-com brands or clothing brands or influencers, they all have like Discords and stuff like that. So that's important. Slack as well. Intent configuration. So this is pretty much like NLP, which is also good, guys. I like this that it has NLP. I'm going to do a full in-depth video on Vok creating a whole chatbot and like going through everything, guys, so you guys can learn more about this platform, because I honestly like it a lot. So what this will do is it has intent learning, pretty much like an intent. If you guys know what intent is, it literally is like an intent, like I want to find my product order, or I want to get customer support. That's what an intent is. And intent learning is very key because, you know, most of the time when you're using large language models, these large language models, they get confused with intents because they're so based on, you know, linguistics rather than actual, like, you know, memorization through intents and utterances, etc. So I like that Vok has that rules. That's actually really important as well. So this is like a rule. I like that. Again, that's really good. I like Vok, guys. Vok is honestly, like, I think it's better than VoiceFlow. VoiceFlow is definitely more manual oriented. This is a lot more beginner friendly, and not only is it beginner friendly, it also has more advanced capabilities. So I'm gonna have to give Vok the number one. The only thing I would say is Vok should work on their pricing. So the pricing is definitely like a little bit more expensive, but they still have a free plan. So yeah, guys, I think Vok is honestly the number one. Number two would definitely have to be VoiceFlow, and then number three would obviously be BotPress, because BotPress is just, it's still not going to be the best platform. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to check out Vok.ai, I will leave the link in the description below. I'm going to make a full in-depth video on the platform and make some bots. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and got value from this video. Love you all so much, and I'm out. Peace out, guys. See you guys later.